welcome back to my channel. And I know I have a lot of different things on here. So today, guys, I am going to be trying to change out the rings in this new binder that I just got. I need bigger rings for my cash envelopes because I don't like the small ones that are in here. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do. I have never done this before. I have done the ones where you change out the Moterm rings, but I have never done the ones where you actually have to put a little bit of work in it. So if you want to check out and see how that goes and see if this works out, please stay tuned and hopefully I don't mess this up. I have all the supplies that I'm going to use. I'm going to put them in the description box. So most of these things you should be able to get off Amazon. And I'll show you where I'm getting the rings from. This is just, I think it's just a little tweezers that you can use for like wire binding. So I'm just going to use that to try to grip this. These are super old. This is from the Bind It All machine I had that. I didn't even know I had that. And then this is just a X-Acto knife. I was supposed to say X-Acto. I just got some gloves. I don't do good with gloves. I don't usually normally wear gloves. E6000 glue. And then I have the rings that I'm using. This is a ring binder mechanism replacement kit. I got this off Amazon. Came in like 2 days. I will link it in the description box for you. This is the personal size. I know they have A6 size and personal size. For this one, you choose A6. I mean, you don't choose A6. I'm trying to tell y'all wrong. You don't choose A6, you choose personal, okay? All right, so I am going to try to, and I've had this E6000 glue for a long time, so I'm not sure. I don't know, y'all. Y'all help me. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's just see what we got going on here. All right, let me put my big girl pants on, and we're gonna see. Oh, it's coming, y'all. All right, so I guess these you just have to go back and forth with them. So y'all, do I need some? I don't know how this, oh look, this is not too hard getting out. So I guess you just have to be careful of the sharp edges. Now I don't know how this is going to come through, so I am not sure. Okay, well, okay, wow, okay, so that is that. All right, so let's try this one. This one should be, oh, this one's a little bit easier. Okay. All right, so this is the ring. I guess y'all see that I'm not going to be able to use it. Okay, so then between it says, oh, these are like little circles. All right, so I guess, y'all, I am like nervous. All right, so I am not the best with cutting. So I am actually going to put this here because I do not want to put my hand in there. So then I know they said to cut a straight line down here. Y'all, I told you guys, I do not know what I am doing. So hopefully, all right, no, I cannot do that. That is a little bit dangerous. Okay, this will be it. So then I'll just cut lightly down here. I think that might make more sense. Okay. And this cut that I'm doing is not good at all. Okay, so that's the inside. All right. So we should be able to take this out. Hopefully. And the glue is what's supposed to put it back. Now, I am all into this. All right, so I'm gonna push this through here. All right, there we go. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. I might have a little scratch here, y'all. So hopefully by y'all watching me do this, y'all can pretty much know what not to do. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take this and put this over here. So hopefully we are done with that because I am like so scared of X-Acto knives. Okay. All right, so we're going to take our ring binder, and y'all, I have not used this. Okay, so what it's saying is saying to cut it in the middle, drill out the rivets, use a sharp cutter. That's what we did. Wow, we did good. All right, so then remove the rivet post and attach the spine from under the top fabric. Beware of sharp edges. Use the provided hole tools to punch a hole through the binder. I'm not sure what that means, but we'll figure it out. I don't know. I'm not sure. All right, so what is this? So I'm not, these directions. All right. Oh, there's steps all through here. All right, so through the binder. Okay, locate the provided spine with a long piece of flexible stiff plastic. Remove the adhesive protector. So I guess this is it. And then this is it. And then move the adhesive. Insert the new spine with the adhesive side facing up. Make sure the screw holes are aligned and the incision is nicely closed. Okay. Oops. All right, so I guess this is part of the spine. I'm not sure what to do here, guys. Okay, so I think we do this because this will be our screws. I think this is what we're leading up to. Let's see. I think they might have gave us some extra ones. I think that's, I'm gonna go ahead and on a limb, and I'm gonna use, instead of these two, which they look the same, I'm gonna go ahead and use these two. So that's okay. So this is how you seal the incision. The hole goes there and the hole goes there. So maybe I'm going to, let me make sure I have this right here. So I don't want this to be too far. All right, so I'm going to bring this over a little bit. So I am actually going to cut just a snap. Or how about this? I'm gonna do this. I don't know, guys. I'm just doing this as we go, so I'm not sure. All right, so I'm gonna do that. All right, and I hope this glue is good because I have not used this glue in a while and it's looking not too good. All right, so we'll just do that. We'll do, make sure we wipe that off. All right. And then we'll just put some right here because it's supposed to be the spine. So, yeah, okay, y'all, I'm telling you, I am not an expert in this. So we are doing this. I'm just showing you guys how I am changing my rings out. All right, there we go. All right, so I am actually going to put, I'll try to put some of this glue. Yeah, I think this glue is on its last leg. So that's where I should have used the gloves. So this way I can kind of see where these go. All right, so we have this, and I guess this, the incision is closed by this tape here. All right, so we might need to move that over a little bit. So I guess that might be what we got going on. All right, so I'm gonna do it this way. And this is supposed to be like the fabric tape. This stuff is super thick. Looks like it. All right. And they say not to stretch it, but I need to make sure that this is. Alright guys, so remember that I had this black piece, the spine, which I probably could put on there, but it seems like it lifts it up a little bit. You can put it on there if you want to, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave it off for right now. As you can see, I went back inside and I used the E6000 glue, and I put it behind the spine that was here, and then I put some on top of the spine, and then I actually took a little bit and put it right here to close the incision. As you can see, it's pretty closed up, and I mean, it's not too bad. I know usually when I do something the first time, I'm like, I don't know what's going on here, but then after it sits for a little bit, then I'm like, wait a minute, maybe I should do this instead. And then to keep the sides pretty much down right here, which is most important, of where the I guess the rivets, you call it, I took and did this last night, and they didn't stick or anything like that, so that was awesome. So I just took 2 clothespins. So it seems like it's pretty much dry from yesterday. So yeah, this is the next day. So I'm actually going to put, I think these are just the same size. I'm actually going to put these, yeah, I'm actually going to just put this there. And then, yeah, this is a little cut in video that I made because I was thinking about it, and I was like, it's kind of sticking up. Oops, I can't never put these things in, even with my Moterm. The black was showing on the side, and I didn't like the black. So I just went back and took it back, and I was like, I'm just going to basically utilize my glue more than putting the black spine. I mean, you can do it if you want. Maybe if you have like a black planner or something like that. And now it stops the screws since I had glued them down. And we'll see how long this lasts, because I know E6000 glue is pretty strong. So let's do that. Yep. Alright, I think that's in there. I want to put it too tight because just in case I want to do something else with it. Alright, so y'all, look. That's super loud. And I didn't know that this thing had a number in it either. Y'all see that? But yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And then sideways, because like I said, at first you can see the black right here, and I probably have to just wipe it down a little bit because of the glue that I got, because I'm not a pro with the glue. So we're going to go ahead and put our envelopes in and give this baby a run. And they're not all in order or anything, so I just put them in. Yeah, the other one was, it was too small for the envelopes that the stuff that I put in it is starting to like open on its own, and I'm like, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Oops, what was that? Alright. Oops, I forgot my coin one. And this is a lot less. Yeah, this one is so much better. Yep, you see how big. And to close it, it's this. Alright, so there we go, guys. So this is how you change the rings in the binder if the rings are too small for you, or if they're not fitting like they are supposed to, or if they're coming open. This, I am not a professional. I'm not a pro at this. This was actually the first time that I'm actually doing this. I was nervous as I don't know what, but I went ahead and recorded it so that if it did come out right, for those of you that wanted to try this, you can use this, what I did, and make it super easy for you. So I forgot to put my little cash slip in here. And my cherry, I'm tripping. There we go. Alright, so thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And if you did like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, because you know I do appreciate it. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.